Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ade Dwi Wahyu Ananda Sitepu. I'm from Binasarana Informatika University, Margonda. Today I'm gonna present my first project language assessment about CITES. What is CITES? CITES is a type of language proficiency test. It is intended to assess total language proficiency, including reading comprehension, grammar, and vocabulary. It was created as an adaptation of the closed test. Every second word in CITES has a second half eliminated to finish the text. Student must complete the blanks. Like for the example, is here LAN blah 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 GE ASS blah 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 ENT S IMP blah 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 NT F4 TEAC blah 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 S. The real answer is language assessment is important for teachers. Next, we have structure of a CITES. It usually has several short texts from 4 to 6 short texts. Each text has around 80 to 100 words, and the lessons start from the second sentence, and the test measure how well students understand context, not just word. Here's for another example of CITES. Like I blah 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 LIS blah 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 ENG to MUS blah 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 FRO blah 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 Nikki. The correct answer is I like listening to music from Nikki. Next, I have how to create a CITES. To create a CITES, we choose 2 short texts, then remove the half of every second word. The text must be still make sense, and it should match the student level or intermediate. To conclude, CITES is a great method for assessing language proficiency because it's simple, fair, and effective. Now, I'm going to continue to part 2, the case study. In this part, I will show my own example of CITES for grammar, vocabulary, and reading comprehension. First, my CITES is focusing on grammar. The first sentence is complete, and the next sentence have missing part in every second word. It helps test student understanding of grammar and sentence structure, especially for past tense. This is the real answer. I mean the correct answer, sorry. Next, we have a vocabulary task. The missing part are mostly words related to travel and vacation, like beach, harbor, seafood, and luxury. It helps to measure student vocabulary knowledge in the specific topic. And here the correct answer. This the holiday thing. Next, I have reading comparison. The student need to understand the story context to fill in the missing words correctly. It helps measure how well they can read and understand the concept connected the sentence, not just single word. And here the correct answer, the full. For the scoring, each correct words get 1 point. Partially correct word gets half point, and the wrong one get 0 point. This system is used for all 3 tests to keep it fair and consistent. For the example thesis, I blah 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 to go to the PEA blah 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 when the THEWEA blah 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 is SUN blah blah blah. The correct answer is I like to go to the beach when the weather is sunny. They they got 4 points, but when the if student wrote the I like to go to the beach when the weather is sunny, they just got 2 points, half for 4 points. I choose this topic because they are fun and familiar for students. The texts are suitable for intermediate learners since they mix grammar, vocabulary, and reading comprehension. The C-test is effective because it measures the different language skill at once, is objective and easy to score. So through this example, I want to show the C-test can be used to assess grammar, vocabulary, and reading comprehension in a simple but in reliable way. That's all for my project 1 presentation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.